Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Cuisinart Bread Maker. This versatile and compact automatic bread maker offers a variety of crust colors and loaf sizes, as well as 12 pre-programmed menu options. Its foolproof recipes include everything from gluten-free and artisan breads to jams and sauces. With a convenient 13-hour delay start timer, that wonderful aroma of just baked bread can be waiting for you when you wake up. LCD display offers clear view of countdown time, current cycle, and selected options. 12 pre-programmed menu options for a variety of breads. Let's watch more.
Everybody loves homemade bread, but we don't have time to make it. So why not let Cuisinart do it for you? The Cuisinart automatic bread maker has a compact footprint without sacrificing functionality. It offers a variety of loaf sizes as well as 3 crust options to choose. Try light, medium, or dark crust, and select your loaf size as 1, 1.5, or 2 pounds. With 12 pre-programmed menu options, you're sure to find the perfect freshly baked bread recipes you've been wanting to try. And for a quick and easy recipe option, flip through the included recipe guide to find everything from gluten-free and artisan bread creations to jams and sauce recipes. The automatic bread maker is specifically designed for maximum efficiency with minimal usage of your countertop. The viewing window and interior light make it easy to watch your bread spring to life without escaping valuable baking heat by lifting the lid. The removable kneading paddle and bread pan make cleanup a snap. The bread maker features an easy-to-read LED display, delivers functions including bake only, and has a 13-hour delay start so your bread is perfectly timed to serve. Wake up or come home to oven-hot bakery-fresh artisan breads right in your own kitchen with the Cuisinart Compact Automatic Bread Maker.
Our second best bread makers is Hamilton Beach Bread Maker. This Hamilton Beach Bread Maker machine lets you create fresh homemade breads and doughs without even having to roll up your sleeves to mix and knead. Just add the ingredients, select the cycle, and press start. With 12 programmed settings for a variety of breads and doughs, you can make everything from healthy whole grain and gluten-free options to sweet, gooey cinnamon raisin buns. Customize your bread down to the size and shade with 2 loaf sizes and 3 crust shades. Makes it easy to view and select the cycle, crust, and loaf size. Add ingredients and begin the baking process later, perfect for breakfast and entertaining. For details, let's watch how to use this.
Hi, I'm Kara, and this is the Hamilton Beach 2-pound bread maker. From whole grain to French to gluten-free, this bread maker makes it easy for you to create delicious homemade bread without preservatives or trans fats. Operating it is simple. Just add the ingredients, select your baking cycle, and press start. There are 12 cycles, including dough to make rolls or pizza, cake, jam, and a variety of breads. You can choose from 3 crust settings, light, medium, or dark, and the large digital display makes it easy to view and select the cycle, crust, and load size. You can choose between 2 loaf sizes, 1.5 pounds or 2 pounds. There's also a delay timer. Just add the ingredients and begin the baking process later. This way you have hot, fresh bread waiting for you when you wake up in the morning. Perfect for entertaining, too. The non-stick bread pan and 2 kneading paddles are dishwasher safe, and the bread maker comes with recipes to make homemade bread easier than you ever thought possible. The Hamilton Beach 2-pound bread maker. Now that's good thinking.
Third in our list is Cuisinart CBK-200 Bread Maker. The responsive air circulation, speed and timing to ensure a beautiful bake each and every time. Taking care of your family's health is easy with gluten-free and low-carb settings among 16 preset options at the touch of a button. Entertaining is easy with 3 crust colors, 3 loaf size options and over 100 bread, dough, cake and jam combinations with minimum fuss. Low carb and gluten-free preset menu options and recipes. Special menu option takes basic dough through several long, slow cool rises for chewier textures and rustic crusts. Unique convection feature circulates air for superior crust color and texture. Classic lines, smooth brushed stainless steel, embossed logo and large, sturdy, stay cool handles. Audible tone indicates time to add fruit, nuts and other mix-ins. Second tone offers option of removing paddle before baking, or removing unbaked dough to shape by hand. Number 4 in our best bread makers list is Zojirushi bread maker. A revolutionary heating element built into our home bakery virtuoso bread maker changes the way you can bake bread at home. With perfectly brown crust every time, anyone can be a master baker. From novice to expert, now any home baker can take advantage of our most technologically advanced bread maker, loaded with menu settings and options for the ultimate in versatility. For a basic bread recipe, simply add in measured ingredients, close the lid, make a selection from the user-friendly LCD control panel, and the Home Bakery Supreme takes care of the rest, baking up a rectangular-shaped 2-pound loaf of bread to perfection. The machine's timer can be set to delay the end of the baking cycle by up to 13 hours, which makes it possible to wake up to the smell of freshly baked, homemade bread in the morning or to come home to a warm loaf at the end of a long day at the office. For details, let's watch more.
Towards making anyone an expert home baker. The bread maker features 14 pre-programmed course settings that alter the kneading, rising, and baking functions based on the type of bread to be made, ranging from classic white and European breads to health-conscious options like whole wheat, rapid whole wheat, multigrain, gluten-free, salt-free, sugar-free, and vegan. In addition to loaves, the flexible Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus bread maker makes dough, sourdough starter, cake, and jam. Along with the pre-programmed courses, the machine comes with a special homemade course, which allows you to input your own knead, rise, and bake times in 3 available memory settings. This bread maker also gives you the option to choose a light, medium, or dark crust color, and features an additional heating element in the lid, which promotes even baking and browning. Like all of Zojirushi's 2-pound bread makers, the Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus uses a removable non-stick coated baking pan to hold all ingredients, and dual kneading blades to thoroughly mix ingredients for superior results. Both the pan and blades are easy to clean and are BPA-free. The simplified LCD control panel and convenient key code make it easy to choose the course setting and set the optional 13-hour delay timer. Accessories include a full-color recipe book with 50 delicious recipes, a liquid measuring cup, nested measuring cups for dry ingredients, and a measuring.
Our last pick is Oster Express Bake Bread Maker. The Oster Express Bake Bread Machine. Designed to make up to a 2-pound family-size loaf, this bread maker comes with its own tested recipes for ultimate perfection. The bread machine features multiple settings that offer ideal baking versatility and a delayed bake timer that lets you set the baking time up to 13 hours in advance. An express bake cycle bakes delicious bread in under an hour. A large LCD display allows you to easily navigate the settings, and a clear window on the top lets you peek inside to see the bread as it bakes. For added convenience, this bread maker comes with a measuring cup, a spoon, and a kneading paddle. The sleek design with white or ivory finish effortlessly matches any kitchen decor, making the Oster Express Bake Bread Machine a great housewarming or wedding gift.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!